Hello everyone, in this video I am going to unbox the Nifty hardware wallet, which is the world's first NFT hardware wallet. So this is the getting started guide, and now let's remove the contents of the box. So as you can see, this is the getting started guide that contains one hardware wallet, aluminum seed, and recovery sheets, as well as a USB charging cable. And you can download the SecuX Nifty hardware wallet mobile app by scanning this QR code. So this is the device, which is quite nifty and handy compared to other NFT hardware wallets that I have used. The build is really nice. The back casing is made of ABS plastic, and this is the front color display. So let's see if it has some power. Okay. So before I set up, let's review the other contents of the box. So these are the recovery sheets, and this is the aluminium recovery sheets card, which is quite nice, and compared to other hardware wallets in terms of price, this might be on a bit higher end, but after checking the quality of the device itself and the contents, it's worth the price, definitely. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.